Today, I'm diving into why Graphene X is the future of concrete. Imagine a material 200 times stronger than steel and 2.5 times harder than diamond. That's graphene. But traditional graphene is super expensive. Enter Graphene X, a game changer from Construction X Technologies. It's a cost-effective, patented graphene product priced at just $19 per pound. That's a fraction of the usual $50 to $105 per pound. Here's why Graphene X is revolutionary. First up, increased concrete strength. Adding Graphene X boosts concrete strength by 30 to 35%. Picture turning 6,000 psi concrete into over 7,800 psi. That's durability, folks. Next, reduced rebar usage. With Graphene X, you can cut rebar by 10%. Less rebar means less cost. Graphene X also disperses heat, drastically improving thermal resistance, and it prevents rebar rust by coating it and removing CO2 at the highest rate in the industry. Got tight deadlines? Graphene X accelerates curing times, speeding up your project completion. Plus, it enhances concrete's flexibility, reducing cracking and fracturing. And let's talk about the environment. Graphene X removes 90 to 95% of CO2 from concrete. That's far superior to other products. Plus, it's licensed to track and capture the carbon offset of projects, making them green certified. Now the kicker, cost efficiency. At $19 per pound, Graphene X is unmatched. And it's backed by a decade of research, testing, and endorsements from the EPA and DOE. In short, Graphene X sets the standard for stronger, safer, and greener concrete. It's the future of sustainable building. So if you're in construction, it's time to get on board with Graphene X. Thanks for watching.